Amazon sells billions of products every single year. Yet here's the crazy truth, Amazon doesn't actually make its real money from selling you stuff. In fact, the thing that makes Amazon one of the richest companies in the world, you've probably never used it directly. So, how does Amazon really make money? Let's break it down, and I guarantee, by the end of this video, you'll never look at Amazon the same way again. When you think of Amazon, you picture this: millions of products, 2-day delivery, even groceries. But here's what nobody tells you, Amazon's e-commerce business often struggles to be profitable. Margins in retail are razor thin, sometimes as low as 1 to 3% per item sold. That means if you buy a $1,000 laptop, Amazon may only keep $10 to $30 after expenses. And after paying for warehouses, workers, delivery, and returns, they often make nothing. So why bother? Because Amazon isn't really in the business of making money from products. They're in the business of getting you hooked, and once you're hooked, they monetize you in ways you never notice. Here's where the story flips. Amazon's real profit engine is something called Amazon Web Services, or AWS. It's their cloud computing division. And if you've never used it, don't worry, you actually have. Because Netflix runs on AWS. Airbnb runs on AWS. Even the CIA and NASA run on AWS. Basically, AWS rents out computing power and servers to companies. Instead of building their own expensive data centers, businesses just pay Amazon.
And here's the wild part. In 2023, AWS made about $90 billion in revenue. But more importantly, it delivered 60 to 70% of Amazon's operating profits. Think about that, the website you shop on isn't what makes Amazon rich. It's the invisible cloud business powering half the internet. But AWS isn't the only secret. Amazon has built multiple stealth profit machines inside its empire. 1. Advertising. Every time you search for iPhone case and see the word sponsored, that's Amazon's ad business. In 2023, Amazon ads brought in over $40 billion. That makes Amazon the third largest ad platform in the world, behind only Google and Meta. 2. Prime memberships. Over 200 million people worldwide pay around $139 a year for Prime. That's about $27 billion in guaranteed cash money Amazon collects before you even order anything. 3. Third-party seller fees. More than 60% of items sold on Amazon aren't even from Amazon itself, they're from independent sellers. But here's the kicker. Amazon takes a cut of every sale, sometimes up to 30%. They charge fees for storage, delivery, ads. It's like Amazon is running a toll booth for the entire internet marketplace. So why does Amazon keep pushing retail if it makes so little profit? Because retail is their loss leader. It's bait. By offering low prices, fast shipping, and endless selection, Amazon makes sure you never leave their ecosystem. And once you're in, they squeeze profits from every angle: ads, memberships, seller fees, and of course, cloud computing. Think of it this way: when you order toothpaste for $3, Amazon might make zero profit. But when that order locks you into Prime, where you start streaming movies, shopping more often, and clicking on ads, suddenly, Amazon is making money everywhere except the toothpaste. This is why calling Amazon an online store is misleading. Amazon is really a tech company disguised as a retailer. AWS makes it a cloud giant. Prime Video makes it a streaming competitor. Ads make it a marketing powerhouse. Alexa and smart devices make it a hardware player. And retail? Retail is just the front door, the gateway drug. Jeff Bezos understood this from day one. He once said, "Your margin is my opportunity." Translation: Amazon will happily run a low-margin retail business if it means they can own the customer relationship and monetize it in dozens of other ways. And Amazon isn't slowing down. They're expanding into healthcare, buying One Medical; grocery, Whole Foods plus Amazon Fresh; AI and machine learning, AWS is already a leader; logistics, Amazon Delivery is rivaling FedEx and UPS; In the future, Amazon might not just be where you buy products, it could be your doctor, your cloud provider, your entertainment platform, and your delivery company. All rolled into one. So the next time you order something on Amazon, remember this: you're not really the customer, you're the entry point. The real money isn't in the packages showing up at your door. It's in the invisible businesses behind the scenes, quietly generating billions. If this breakdown surprised you, wait until you see my video on how Netflix really makes money. It's not what you think, and it might change how you see your monthly subscription. Click here to watch it next. And if you love uncovering the hidden business models behind the world's biggest companies, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Coming up, I'll be breaking down how giants like Tesla actually turn profits. Hint, it's not just from what they sell. You won't want to miss it. Also, drop a comment below on which company you'd like me to decode next, maybe Apple, Spotify, or Uber. Your pick could be the next deep dive.